So, good morning, friends. Today's question is about conservation of linear momentum. In the given figure below, a bullet of mass 0.1 kg moves with 100 meter per second, whereas block B of mass 10 kg moves with 1 meter per second in the directions as pictured, as shown in the figure. Both intersect simultaneously at point C. Bullet was moving here to plus x direction, and block was moving in minus z direction, and both intersect at point C, where bullet gets embedded in the block. After point C, bullet is inside the block and both will move together. Find the magnitude of velocity with which they move ahead after the impact. So this is the question, and we have to find the magnitude of final velocity which bullet, after getting into inside the block, both acquire a common velocity. So we have to calculate that velocity. So A is bullet and B is the block. Motion is in xz plane. We can see x is this, z is this plane, perpendicular to the plane of paper. In that plane motion is happening. So xz plane, ma va plus mb vb. This is conservation of linear momentum equation. It is a vector equation. ma va is for momentum of bullet, mb vb is for momentum of block, and ma plus mb final mass into velocity. So common velocity will be at any angle. So for calculation we put the value va equal to velocity of bullet, which is in x direction, so 100 I cap, and vb is 1 meter per second, but z direction is out of the paper, but b is going inside the paper, so it is minus k cap. In spite of plus k cap, it is minus k cap. So putting the values, mass of bullet is 0.1 kg, 0.1 into 100 I cap plus 10 into minus k cap equal to ma plus mb is 10.1 v. So vector v is 10 I cap minus 10 k cap upon 10.1. So we have to calculate the magnitude of velocity vector, which is this. So magnitude will be 1 by 10.1 square of 10 plus square of minus 10, which is equal to 10 square. So after calculation we get the magnitude as 1.40021, which is approximately 1.4 meter per second. So it is a very good question. And in GATE the language of question is sometimes typical, so extracting the useful data from question matters a lot. So that is what we have to practice. Day before today I taught you many questions, but there I didn't created the language. I give the data to you in numeric form. So that is not the case in GATE. There we have to extract this data from the language of question, so it comes with practice. So practice a lot, and I hope that you have understood the question well. Thank you so much, friends. Bye.